Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our fifth class. Today we are going to learn living things and non-living things. Here in this picture we can see both things, living things and non-living things. Here we get also a question, how we know that which is living thing and which is not. Living things are those things who can grow, breathe, move and reproduce naturally. They need water, food and air for their life. They can't live without these things. Now in short, we can say living things can grow, move, breathe and reproduce. Now let's try to understand some more pictures. First, living things grow and change day by day. For example, a kitten grows up to become a cat. Number 2, living things move easily one place to another place. They are able to search their food and do own works. For example, human, dog, lion, trees, etc. Third, living things need to air for take a breathe. Without breathe, they can't alive. Here we get a same example. Human, cat, monkey, trees, etc. Number 4, living things can produce more of their kind. The process of producing more of one's kind is called reproduction. For example, hen, cat, human, monkey, etc. I hope you understand living things. Now let's move on our next topic, and our next topic is yes, you get it, non-living things. Non-living things are those things who can't grow, breathe, move and reproduce itself naturally. They don't need water, food and air for their life. Non-living things move only when they are moved by someone or something. For example, door, ball, bat, bed. I have one more example. A ball moves only if you throw or kick it. You have I am reading this question for you. Pick out the names of people, animals and things from the sentences and write them. Dear student, listen carefully and do these all questions on your homework copy. The baby, number 1 question is, The baby is playing with a toy. Number 2. The cat is sleeping on the rug. The boy is petting his dog. The man is waiting for a bus. The frog is sitting by the pond. The girl is milking a cow. So these are your questions. Do it very carefully. And dear students, we will meet in our next class. Till that time, you all be safe, stay home.